so much easier when you don't have to get up and down on a platform.
Yeah.
And the key is not so long. So as you'll see, we're battening the top to infill the gaps, because if we were going to board the entire ceiling, if I was going to do it level, it was going to be so low that you'd be walking around like this. So I don't know if you remember, many moons ago we did this lark in the salon and in the JPS, and it's a case of battening either side of the beams and then infilling with plasterboard in the gaps. The beams are not particularly nice, but we're going to paint everything. It's going to be, everything's going to be whitewashed. So, or this colour, probably the ceiling will be white, but it'll lighten it up so much, and it gets the lights in the ceiling, and it's another job done. The trouble is that once upon a time we went to the woodyard and we bought 700 meters, linear meters of battening. We don't have that luxury anymore, so I'm hunting around for pieces of wood. So this piece of wood, these pieces of wood here, was 100mm post that I had, and I ripped it up, and you get 9 bits out of 100mm square post in this length. So that's quite good, 30mm. But it's a case of running these in, and then when I get to the end, I have to go and find some more wood. But yeah, but it's going in. They're going in so much easier now that you know what you're doing and know how to work it. It's yeah, stuff goes in a lot quicker.
Do you remember the first time we did it in the salon?
Oh, don't.
Oh no, it was in the JPS, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was JPS. Yeah.
It took us so long to figure out how to get them level and where to measure from, and
then we cut them all up because they were all 3 metre lengths.
Yeah.
And or 4 metre lengths, I thought I'd do something like that. And we then ended up chopping them into little bits, like a bit longer than this. And oh god, it made life so much easier, because you know, you're trying to get everything dead straight. You know, the board, your plaster board here will bend that way, but you don't want to bend that way.
yeah.
And you know, so you can sort of coerce it to do what you want this way, but not that way. Oh, you're here, are you? You're here, are you? What are you doing here? Oh, sorry, babe. Little bubba. Little bubba. Where you been? You're panting a bit. And you're warm, I can tell that. So you've been out exploring, haven't you? Hey? You've been out exploring? Yes. Where's my big fella? He's out there.
So I've finished the floor of the bread oven. It's what to do with the back now. Now the back is so bad. It's deteriorated so much. There is no back left really. And all you can see is the stone from the stone wall behind it. So my idea is to rebuild a new back. I really can't repair the back. I can't get in there to repair it as far back as it is, and yeah, I just don't have those skills to repair that stone back. So the idea is I put a false back in. It just means I've got a lot of tiles to cut, and it's going to take a while, but I think it would look great if I can get it done. Now you have to remember, this bread oven isn't for us to use. I'm not restoring it to be used. We do have 2 bread ovens. The other one is in the downstairs apartment. This one was purely just to preserve the history that it was here, and try and keep it intact as much as I can. So that's the idea. I'm going to give it a go. Ted's a little bit, he thinks it'll look great, but just too much work. But I do think it'll look great at the end of it. So off to cut some tiles. I hope the dogs stay in the piggeries. Oh my God, the dogs are out there. Baby, the dogs are out there.
Why on earth did you come over here?
You're a drowned rat, Bessie.
Yeah, I know. Oh, thanks.
So let's put a bit of pay to today's work. It's just had a massive downpour and a big storm. It looks like it's going to be in for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Pulled all the tools in, got soaking wet.
Yeah.
And I think
And we got floods coming in everywhere, so like,
Yeah.
yeah, we got to try and sort that lot out. But yeah, let's put pay to our day.
So down tools for the day. So it means that we don't get to tick anything off of our list, but back again on Monday and carry on. I'm so gutted actually because I really wanted to finish that bread oven. But hopefully Monday. We get it finished. Anyway, take care everyone. Don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up. We'll see you all again on Monday. Exciting next week because Carsten's arriving.
Oh,
We've got some help.
Proper work done.